Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to get promo code on DraftKings. Let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to write the sentence here. How to get promo code on DraftKings. And then simply we have to hit the enter. So now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will be redirected to the here. As you can see, after clicking on this, simply we have to hit this. And now you have to choose that which type of promo code you want, or if which type of promo code you want to enter. As you can see, these all options are provided here. You have to choose that which one you want. For example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, if you want to check out the view terms and enter the promo code, you can also do that. So as you can see, and if you want to view the terms, you have to click on this. And as you can see, these all terms and conditions are provided here. So I'm going to cut this one, and now we have to move this. As you can see, all the details are provided here. Simply we have to provide the details, and we have to create an account, and after that you will be able to use it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.